Guys, so as I explained you in my first video regarding the medical universities in Romania, let me explain you more. So in 2009 I came to Romania. I didn't know anything about this MBBS program in Romania. First I was worried like will my degree will be valid or no, because I wanted to return back to India. So I googled and I searched many universities. So I came across few friends who were already studying in Romania, so they guided me very briefly. So first of all, you need to make in mind that if you are doing your MBBS from Romania, so it takes money and time. So like in India, like if we have given the exam, this NEET PG exam or the NEET UG exam, there is a particular exam, so you need to clear it, and after that you can start your MBBS program. So in Romania, as a foreigner, you can come here and you don't need to give any entrance exam, but you need to give a English exam after you are admitted. So that English exam doesn't decide whether you are admitted or not. You need to send your documents through someone here, or you can contact directly the university. There are many agencies also in India who can help you with the admission. The only thing is that here you need to pay, the fees is 5,000 euros per year, and the program is 6 years. It's not like in India like 4.5 years, then 1 year you need to do the internship. So here it's a bit different. Here it's a 6 years program. It's completely in English, and it's included your internship also. So after completing, you will get this it's known as diploma de medic. The program is in English, but to interact with the patients you need to know basic Romanian. So at the time of your university they will teach you how to communicate in the Romanian, to learn the basic language. The professors are really good. They will explain you. um, when you have decided that you need to come here, so through someone you need an invitation letter from the ministry that you are accepted. Once you get that invitation letter that you are accepted here, you can apply in your country this visa, the student visa. There are different type of visa, but you need a student visa. For that also, every time you need so many documents. Like for coming here you need an invitation letter, then you need some blood test, then your this high school the certificates, 10th and 12th. It also needs to be apostille from your local state, then this Haga from the Delhi ministry. After all that, you need to prepare when you're coming here in Romania. Like it's not like in India. You'll not get the Indian food in the universities. There is no mess. So you need to bring your utensils, condiments, like spices you can get here, but it's not the same. It's some bit different. So it's better you can get your spices from India. Here in the hostel you can get a hostel, but it's hard because the Romanians, they're also staying in the hostel. So I would prefer the university apartments, or you can go stay with many friends. Like you can share an apartment, like 2 or 3 friends together, you can share an apartment. Or if you have money, you can stay alone. Like alone, if you are staying, you need to pay 200 euros. It's a rent per month. Then the bills is depends on you, like 100 euros. For me it was like 300 euro per month, but if you're staying with someone it will be more cheaper. In the winters is a problem, like it's snowing, so it's really cold. You need to put on the heaters, so in the winters you need to pay a bit more. The weather, mostly it's cold. The summertime, it starts from the April till July, so it's not like 40 degrees like in India. It will reach 20 to 30 degrees. Now about the medical universities, like there are many universities here. One is near the sea, that is less Ovidius University, Constanza. One is in the capital, one is near the mountains. So you can also choose if you want, if you have any friend here and you want to stay in a particular university. uh, the MBBS program is 6 years, as I told you, and so when I came when I came here, I needed to apply at this MCI for the eligibility certificate, so that when I finish my medical degree from here, I can return to India and give a exam. That time it was known as MCI FMG screening exam. So for that it was important to have eligibility certificate. Without that you cannot sit the exam. But I don't know, you need to check. I know that the MCI is no longer valid, so you need to check with the ministry over there, like how can you enroll in a foreign medical university and come back and sit for the exam. As I know, they are changing the FMG exam. It will be next, I don't know from when. So still you need to clear an exam. Before the pass rate was very low, but maybe with this exam it will be better. uh, the course is 6 years, so you need to calculate the amount, like 5,000 euros per year. And in the summer vacations, it's like 2 months every year you can go back to India, and the flight costs around 1,000 euros. There are Turkish Airlines, Etihad, there are many airlines. You will not get a direct flight. You need to go through a transit, like from Bucharest. It's the capital city, so it's the main airport there. So you need to go over there to take your flight, and from there, if you are taking Turkish Airlines, it's via Istanbul, and from Istanbul, India, Delhi. Here there is a main state hospital. Like in India we have private and state hospitals. Mostly it's a state hospital. So as a student, we'll be studying first 3 years at the university. So mostly it's like the clinical subjects, theoretical, and we'll learn on the cadavers also, the anatomy, the physiology, the biochemistry. And so first 3 years is a bit boring, but after third year when you start your clinicals in the hospital, the state hospital, so it's interesting. They will divide into small groups, so that you can take the history from the patients. Then they will discuss about the patient, and it's divided into 2 semesters. And after every semester there are a few exams, so theory and practical, you need to pass the exam. Like in India, it's the exam is of 100 marks, but here in Romania it's of 10 marks. So they'll give you from 5 to 10. Obviously you need to score more than 5, but if you know, they will pass you. It's not a. And somehow if you don't sit for the exam, or you didn't pass the exam, there is a summer session. So in the vacation, when other students who don't have any uh, exams left or didn't fail, they can go back home, but other students, they can stay here and clear those exams.